Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform factory reset on your ROBOROCK Q7 Max. So in order to do this, first let's locate every button that we'll need to press. So the first one is a home button right here. It's right from the power button. It has a little house drawn on it. Next is a reset button, and it's located right under this cover right here. There's a blue glowing LED lamp. Next to it it's a reset. Make sure that you have something like a pin opener or needle. And now you will need to press the home icon for at least 3 or 5 seconds. Then use a pin press on this button. And put your finger on the home button and press on the home button, then on the reset. And after that, let's hold it for at least 5 seconds more and let go.
Restoring factory settings. This will take about 5 minutes.
And as we just got information, we performed factory reset on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.